Story 7. A Padshaw was in the same boat with a Persian slave who had never before been at sea and experienced the inconvenience of a vessel. He began to cry and to tremble, to such a degree that he could not be pacified by kindness, so that at last the king became displeased, as the matter could not be remedied. In that boat there happened to be a philosopher who said, "Thy permission, I shall quiet him." Padshaw replied, "It will be a great favor." The philosopher ordered the slave to be thrown into the water so that he swallowed some of it, whereupon he was caught and pulled by his hair to the boat, to the stern of which he clung with both his hands. Then he sat down in a corner and became quiet. This appeared strange to the king, who knew not what wisdom there was in the preceding acts for it. The philosopher replied, before he had tasted the calamity of being drowned, he knew not the safety of the boat. Thus, also, a man does not appreciate the value of immunity from a misfortune until it has befallen him. O thou fool man, barley bread pleases thee not. She is my sweetheart, who appears ugly to thee. To the priests of paradise, purgatory seems hell. The denizens of hell, to them purgatory is paradise. There is a difference between him whose friend is in his arms and him whose eyes of expectation are upon the door. Now, don't risk people's lives to make a point.